Okay guys, this is a 2023 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off Road. Rebuilt title, theft. Doesn't look like there's any damages. Pretty low miles, but you can see this motor looks clean as can be. Looks like pretty much brand new tires. Start it up. $28,927 on the miles. Your steering wheel controls, adaptive cruise, lane assist. All your different options. Doesn't look like it has navigation. 4-wheel drive, power sliding rear glass, smart key. There's all your off-road packages that come with it. Automatic windows, power locks and mirrors, power seats. You can see this is what they have to do to the bin when it gets stolen. They usually take the bin off the dash or off the windshield area. So we got to get it re-stamped. Damage there. Again, rebuilt title due to theft. You can check out all my inventory at realdealauto.com.